Hey guys, Mitch from Redwater Dodge here. Here's a really common question from Ram owners who tow. How often should you service your transmission if you're towing regularly? A lot of people go by the standard maintenance schedule, but if you tow frequently, the transmission is working much harder than normal driving. Towing creates more heat and load inside the transmission, and heat is what breaks down transmission fluid over time. So if you tow regularly, especially heavier trailers, it's usually a good idea to service the transmission more often than the normal interval. One sign the fluid is starting to break down is rougher shifting, delayed engagement when you put it in drive, or darker fluid color. Healthy transmission fluid should be fairly bright and clean, not dark and burnt smelling. Winter towing can also affect service timing. Cold weather makes fluid thicker and you start driving. And if you're towing heavy loads during that time, the transmission is under even more stress until everything warms up. Now, people often ask about flushes versus drain and fill. A drain and fill simply replaces the fluid that comes out of the pan and is generally the most common service. A flush pushes new fluid through the entire system to replace more of that old fluid. Flushes can be helpful in some situations, but they're not always necessary. And many technicians prefer regular drain and fill services at shorter intervals to keep the fluid fresh. The key thing is keeping the fluid clean and in good condition, especially if your truck spends a lot of time towing. If you have any questions, give us a call at 780-942-3629.